What's up, guys? So you recently bought your G2C 9mm Taurus, okay? And you're wondering how do I disassemble it, take it apart, clean it, lubricate it, all that stuff. I'm about to just show you how to do it right now, okay? So take it, drop the mag, right? Put it to the side. You want to rack it back. Raise the slide lock up. Make sure the gun is empty, and as you can see, the gun is, if I can angle it right, there it is empty, no bullet in the chamber. You can go ahead and fold the slide back, and now take your right hand, pry the slide back with your right hand on the top, just about. It's not even an inch, maybe just a little bit, like 1/8 of an inch, like that, right? And there's going to be two switches on the side, one right here and one right on this side, right? You're going to do the 1/8 pull, or the 1/8 of an inch pull, and pry those two back, right? Let go of your right hand, and you're going to when you let go of it, you're still holding them back. Now you can release the left, pull down on the slider, so towards the ground, and pull the trigger, and that's going to snap the slide off. Now you're left with the slide and all the mechanics in it, and the the base of the gun, the plastic, and a little bit of metal that supports the railing system. You can set that aside. You can take apart the slider. So you have the spring right here. You can pry it forward like that, which is going to release it from the spring guard on the barrel. You can take it out, clean it, lubricate it, all that, set it aside. The barrel, you'll lift up like this, and once you lift up, it should be able to slide forward. So you see it kind of come out the front, and then once it slides forward, you can then lift and pull it straight up. With that, you can lubricate it, clean it, clean any metal inside the slider. Looking at the plastic, if you have a magazine, so magazine in the gun, this is where the bullets would sit. Anything that's metal right here can be cleaned and oiled up, right? Lubricated. This metal slide right here, that helps support. It's the railing system that makes the slide come back and forth and support it. All cleaned where the magazine will go into from the bottom. You don't want to gunk it up too bad because the firing pin mechanism is back here, and you don't want to clog up that area too much. So I would just recommend just soft cleaning inside the magazine holder. Other than that, putting it back together is just as simple as taking it apart. You'll put the barrel in first, slide it in the way you pulled it out with a little bit going in. You'll drop it and bring it back, and you'll hear like a snap sound. That's the sound that it makes, that it's in the falling position and it's in place. Right there, right? You heard it, right? The spring will go in fat side first, right? So you have two sides, one's small, one's big. Slide the big one in first. Push down on a little bit until it snaps on the first bit of spring guard, and the spring guard looks like that. There, it's probably gonna be a little bit blurry because I'm using a webcam, but should look like that. Once you got that, go ahead and put the slide back on. Make sure it's aligned. It should fall right in place, and you're gonna want to slide it back all the way. Should look like that. It's gonna slide back all the way. You're going to do that about 3 to 5 times. You're going to make sure it's very secure, and then you can go ahead and put your magazine in, put it on safety, take it off safety, chamber around, whatever you want to do. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys.